very good.
And that would be good.
That would be good too. The idea is to combine the this and the that.
Try and keep it low. Keep them all on the need to know. Tell everybody that we just friends, but to be honest, that platonic shit for TV shows.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time tuning in. My name is ADOREMONIFA and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, if you guys can see by the title, I'm gonna be showing you guys different styles that you can do with your passion twists. Don't mind the TV in the back, this is the best lighting, that's why I'm up against this wall. Just did this hairstyle yesterday. I also posted a video of me doing the hairstyle on Instagram, so if you guys would like to see that, make sure you follow my Instagram page. And I also posted a little mini tutorial on TikTok as well, so go ahead and follow me. But yeah, it turned out really nice, yo. Really nice. So if you guys would like to see me do some hairstyles, stay tuned and let's get into the video.
Curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be hard to make love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be hard to make love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. See it in your eyes. You want this even more. Like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be hard to make love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be hard to make love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Ooh, yeah. All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be hard to make love with you. I would love All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know.
So that is it, you guys. This is my favorite hairstyle out of all of them. The half up, half down is very lightweight, like very lightweight. As you guys can see, it's very stretchy, very soft and easy to manage. But yeah, this is my favorite style out of all of them. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video.